Make your equestrian dreams a reality at this Custom Equestrian Estate on nearly 8 acres in Clackamas County. The long private drive leads to your dream barn and arena, custom home, and manicured pastures. Surrounded by beautifully landscaped, expansive grounds, here you can enter your own private paradise. Discover superior custom craftsmanship throughout with built-ins, oversized windows, and abundant natural light. The gourmet kitchen features custom maple cabinetry, slab granite, peaceful views, new stainless steel appliances, and a huge pantry. It opens to the inviting dining area. From tile floors to tall ceilings, no detail is overlooked. French doors lead to the main level office with built-ins. On the upper level, escape to your huge master suite with a romantic fireplace, separate walk-in closets, and a private balcony to take in the views. Unwind in the spacious master bath. A large bonus room is plumbed for a kitchenette or wet bar and has a separate back staircase. You'll find 2 more large bedrooms and a full bath in this home of nearly 3,300 square feet. It's easy to connect with nature by your beautiful koi pond, or just take in the tranquil setting, lush lawns, and charming pathways. This well-designed facility includes paddocks with safe fencing and a 96 by 144-foot building where you'll find 9 stalls, an indoor arena of 72 by 144 feet, a wash rack, and 2 tack rooms, plus a separate building for additional storage, and other warehouse buildings perfect to rent out. A place to relax, to enjoy your work, sport, and playtime 24 hours a day in a picture-perfect setting. An exceptional opportunity on the market for the first time ever, and it's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Erin Warren with Premier Property Group at 503-319-0490.